You got to separate the wheat from the tare. Separate the wheat from the tare, the wheat from the weeds. This is wheat. These are weeds. We're going to cut these weeds off, even though the numbers going to go down a little bit. We're going to cut these weeds off. And we're going to work. We're going to focus on the wheat and keep growing where we need to grow. We're going to trim these dead ends, and then we're going to let the hair grow back in a healthy manner. That's what you got to do. So you want to do that type of stuff. You want to educate yourself. You're going to create your own products. You're going to create your own products, or you're going to partner with companies like my stuff and then be promoting it and making 50% of the money and then just making money like that. What you going to do? You can create your own income. You can create your own income and your own flow if you're in the right niche and everything, and you actually help people. If you help people, then you can do a lot of things if you actually helping people. If you just entertaining people, or if you just doing some other stuff, it's a different ball game. You got to do yours a different way. But when you like to help people and you can help people see some results, or you can show people the way to get results, it's a different ball game. So don't be afraid to lose, because if you're afraid to lose, you can't win.